Voice News. I am Palak Vidhi. Sanjay Raut said our government has controlled the lack of oxygen in Maharashtra. The objective of the National Task Force is to allocate medical oxygen to states and union territories on a scientific, rational and just basis. New Delhi. The Supreme Court had on Saturday directed that the 12-member National Task Force, that is NTF, set up to streamline the allocation of oxygen in the country. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut has justified this decision of the Supreme Court. He has said that the lack of oxygen in Maharashtra has been controlled, but the National Task Force will have to work hard to overcome the shortage of oxygen in the country. Shiv Sena MP Sanjay Raut said in a statement, "Here there is a lack of oxygen in the country. That's why the Supreme Court has set up the National Task Force. People are dying due to lack of oxygen. Maharashtra also faces lack of oxygen. Had to do it, but our government control it well. NTF will have to work hard. The Supreme Court has directed to create a subgroup for each state, union territory to determine whether the supply of oxygen allocated by the center is reaching by concerned state and union territory." What did the Supreme Court say in its order? A bench of Justice Dr. Chandrachud and Mr. Shah had said that it is necessary that an effective and transparent mechanism should be established within the central government for the purpose of allocating medical oxygen to all states and union territories during the COVID epidemic. The central government has agreed to set up a national task force to make the process effective. This task force will be tasked with preparing a methodology for scientific allocation of oxygen to states and union territories and other things. The bench and said that the establishment of this task will help decision makers to get input. It will help to monitor the efficiency of distribution network, available stock, transparency and accountability, etc. in supply distribution for hospitals, healthcare institutions and others. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.